Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to assign shifts on ZoomShift, whether you're using the desktop dashboard or mobile app. ZoomShift is a work schedule maker designed for hourly employees. You can build your work schedule in minutes, track time off, reduce labor costs, and have confidence your team will show up on time. No costs, no catches, manage up to 20 employees for free. This tutorial is perfect for managers and business owners looking to save time and streamline their scheduling process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to ZoomShift.com or open the ZoomShift app on your mobile device. Log in with your admin and manager account. Once you're in, head over to the Schedule tab. Here, you'll see a calendar view showing your team's availability for the week or the month. To assign a shift, simply click the plus button on a specific day, or click directly on the cell for the team member you want to schedule. A new shift window will pop up. This is where you'll customize the shift details. Start by selecting the team member you want to assign the shift to. If you have multiple departments or locations, ZoomShift makes it easy to filter and find the right employee. Next, set the start and end time for the shift. You can also toggle options like all day or mark it as a recurring shift. Helpful for standard weekly scheduled. Under position, choose the role or job title for the shift. This helps keep things organized and ensure staff are scheduled for the right responsibilities. You can also assign a location if you operate in more than one place, and include shift notes for any special instructions like tasks, client reminders, or dress code. If you're not sure who will take the shift, you can leave it open so employees can claim it based on availability. Once everything looks correct, hit save and keep it as a draft, or publish it to notify your team members right away. They'll get a notification via email, app, or SMS, depending on their settings. If you need to edit or delete a shift, just click on it from the calendar to make your changes. It's that simple. ZoomShift also allows you for drag and drop scheduling, so you can quickly adjust shifts to fly without starting from scratch. Don't forget to check for conflicts tab. ZoomShift will flag overlapping shifts, overtime risks, and available staff, helping you avoid scheduling mistakes. On mobile, the process is just as easy. Tap a date, assign a shift, and publish all from your phone. And that's it. You've now learned how to assign shifts on ZoomShift, whether you're at your desk or on the go. If you found this helpful, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more workplace tools and automations tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And happy scheduling!